Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do addition using user input. The first thing you want to do is you want to define a function. So the way you have to do that is by writing def. So def and then a variable. A variable is basically a storage container, remember? So we're going to write def and then a function variable. Def addition. Then, since we are adding, we have to say how many numbers we're going to add. In this case, we're going to be adding 2 numbers. So let's write def addition n1, n2. 2 numbers. Okay? Then we have to write a colon. And after that, we have to do something called returning the function. So return n1 plus n2. This is going to be our end result. Returning n1 plus n2. So Now what we want to do is we want to make 2 variables for our user input. So num1, that's going to be our first variable. Num1 equals input, right? A number. Okay? Now we're going to write num2. Num2 equals input, right? A second number. Now the last thing we want to do is we want to print them all together. But before we do that, let me just point out that there's going to be an error over here, and I'll get to that later. So let's write print, and then the function name, which is addition, print addition, and then we're going to have another 2 parentheses in there. So we're going to write print addition num1, because we're going to be adding num1 and num2. So this is going to be almost our end result. So I'm going to run this and I'm going to show you guys the bug. So write a number. I'm going to write 2. Write a second number. I'm going to write 2. It's going to come out as 22, as you guys can see here. The reason being is because it is treating these two lines as letters. So this is how it's treating it. Write a number, right? It says write a number. And then we write 2. And then it's saying write another number. And then if we write 2, it takes it as 2 plus 2, in this case 22, because they're just smushing these 2 together. So that's the reason this is happening, is because it's treating it like letters. So for example, let me show you. If I write 1 and then 1, it's going to be 1 1. So the way we have to fix that is by converting it, which is called concatenating. There are 3 types of concatenating. The first is int. The second is string, which is str. And the last one is float, with 1 a. The int concatenation is what we're going to be using now. It turns letters into numbers. The string concatenating is the opposite. It turns numbers into letters. And the last one, which is a float, that turns numbers or letters into decimal. So, for example, if we had a 4, like for example, let's just take this. If we put int over here, int input, it's going to turn this into a number. If we put str, which we don't need to since it's already a string, it would turn this into letters, which it already is, so we don't need to. And if we put float, it would turn it into decimal. So let me explain. Let me test it out. Float, right? And float. Oh yeah, and another thing. In Python, every line has to have an equal number of parentheses. So we're going to have to add an extra one on the end here, since there's 3. So if I write a number, and I write 4, it's going to come as 8.0. since it's a float, which is decimals. Okay? So I'll keep it as an int. I'll write int because int is more common. And I'll write 2, and 2, and 4. There we go. It works. Thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!